Alright, so for Unit 1, I've got some examples for us. We're going to look at two different types of sampling. We're going to look at systematic first. So in example 1, I want to select every fourth number for my data. Every fourth number. Okay. So how do you know where you start? You want to start from left to right, just like as you would read. So this would be my first number, second, third, 24 is my fourth one. Then I start over. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 48. 1, 2, 3, 4. 52. 1, 2, 3, 4. 61. 1, 2, 3, 4. 68. 1, 2, 3, 4. 79. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I don't have any more. 1, 2. Right? Alright, so what are my numbers? I have 24. I have 48. I have 52. I have 61. 68. 79. 95. Did you notice by any chance that these numbers are in order from least to greatest? Did you notice that? Whenever you have data, in order to do anything with them, it's recommended that you put them in least to greatest. More than likely, you're going to have to put them in from least to greatest anyway, so you might as well just make sure you start with that. So I'm writing the words data set because, so we're just talking about if we had to do anything with this data that we just found, doing this systematic sampling method, we could now find certain characteristics from this data. We could find like the mean, we could find the median, the mode, and you're going to learn that we can find other characteristics as well given some data. Let's take a look at this example down here, cluster sampling. So thinking back to the video lecture that you should have watched already, you should know what cluster sampling means. And there's going to be some bias here because we're not using a computer-generated random sample. Your calculator actually has a random sample feature on it that I will be showing you in another video. So we're just going to be choosing numbers at random, which, like I said, has bias to it. So in this case, we have some cluster sampling on. We're just going to select some random numbers. So I'm going to select 51, I'm going to select 79, I'm going to select 59, just because I like the number, 88, and 50. Okay, so let's see, I have these numbers now. I have 50, 51, I have 59, I have 79, and I have 88. What are all these examples? They are a data set, right? All of these numbers, 50, 51, 59, 79, 88, are all data sets. So I hope now if I give you an problem to solve and I say I want you to select the third number in each row or column of the data, you're able to do so. If I say I want you to go out to the grocery store and stand in front of the grocery store and collect a random sample survey from people asking them whether or not they watched the Baltimore Ravens today, okay? Unfortunately, you would have to make sure that you know what time the Ravens are playing. You would have to know about what time you think people may go back out for their evening shopping. If it's an afternoon game, or maybe it's a 1 o'clock game, then you'd be going later. Or if it's a night game, maybe you want to go earlier and ask if people are going to be watching the game this evening. So there's just multiple different ways to collect data that we've talked about before. These are just two of the ways.